my voice is a mystery, but they always tryna diss me. Same guys tryna get in my way. Keep the same vibe, you can ruin my day. Oh, my voice is a mystery. Ride the wave of my history. I've been distant to keep my distance.
Day one done. At least your thigh strength will be much better after this.
By the end of the week, I reckon I'm going to lose like 7 kgs.
Athleticism. This is what I'm telling you about.
How many hills today, Auntie? How many hills?
Oh, good, Chris.
No, but you know, I'm good to go for another 5 rounds.
Yeah.
So 5 days.
Try to evolve in life.